Hello and welcome to Maths at Home. I'm Tim. This series is to help parents learn maths with their children, and this particular video gives them ideas for learning the times tables. The times tables are some of the important number facts that are crucial for being able to calculate quickly. They are used in many everyday situations. In school, knowing the times tables will enable a child to work much more quickly and therefore learn better because they can practice more. In the 3 videos about the times tables, we're going to look at 3 features of learning the times tables. Firstly, rote learning the tables. Secondly, looking for patterns. And thirdly, multiplication and division. Some of you may remember learning your tables by rote when you were at school. Others may not, because it may have gone out of fashion in some schools. If we learn our tables by rote like this: 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 equals 12, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 times 6 equals 18, 3 times 7 equals 21, 3 times 8 equals 24, 3 times 9 equals 27, 3 times 10 equals 30, 3 times 11 equals 33, 3 times 12 equals 36. Then eventually, children will be able to recall the facts without having to work it out. If your child knows them, then when you say, "What's 3 times 9?" they can say 27 immediately. I suggest you work on learning the tables by rote in this order: 1 times table, 2 times table, 5 times table, 10 times table, 4 times tables, 3 times table, 9 times table, 6 times table, 8 times table, 7 times table, and finally the 11 times, and then the 12 times table. It doesn't matter if you don't follow this exact order, but the general order will help. Your child doesn't need to know the whole of one particular times table before you move on, but equally don't move on too fast. Make them feel confident by knowing a particular table well before moving on. Otherwise, there will be a lot they don't know rather than a lot they do know. Learning by rote should be done in short bursts. Maybe pick the times table you will target to learn in a month. Practice saying it a few times each day. Make it fun. Try singing it. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. Or clapping a beat as you say it. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Any tune will do. You can make it up. There are some links on trickle.co.uk to some other YouTube videos which could be used, or search for some yourself. As you go through, check how well your child is remembering what they're learning. So if you're learning the 3 times table in 1 month, in the first week, can they remember 3 times 1 and 3 times 2 and 3 times 5? Then in the second week, can they build on that to remembering 3 times 3 and 3 times 4? And remember, do it little and often. You could make some times tables cards, like I've got here, from some boxes and play matching games or snap. So here, for example, 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 5, 15. Or you could turn them all over like this, and don't worry about the fact that some of them have got bits on. That will just help them remember which ones they are and help the visualization. There's another video on that if you want to watch it. Now we can mix them up. This game has a name called Pelmanism, or just sometimes pairs. Pelmanism is to do with memory, which is of course so important. So there's 3 times 2, 15, no. 3 times 7, 30, no. And obviously you keep going. 3 times 9, 18, no. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have found it useful. Please watch parts 2 and 3 on the times tables for more ideas.